Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate guide to hopping through the world smarter, faster, and more savvy. If you're tired of feeling like airports and airlines have you boxed in like a joey in a pouch, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the top 10 hidden flight tricks airlines and airports don't want you to know. Tricks that can save you time, money, and stress on your next adventure. So grab your boarding pass and hold on to your hats, or should I say hold on to your kangaroo pouch, because these tips will have you bouncing through airports like a pro-roo in no time. 1. Use free hotel shuttles to dodge airport rideshare fees. Here's a little secret many travelers overlook. Uber and Lyft rides from the airport come with extra pickup fees that can add up to $15 or more. But savvy kangaroos know that many nearby airport hotels offer free shuttle buses right to the terminal. Just hop on the shuttle, get dropped off at the hotel, then book your rideshare from there. No extra airport fees, less waiting, and often a safer, better-lit pickup spot. Next trip, check hotel shuttles near your airport. It's a hop worth taking. 2. Book reserved security time slots to skip long lines. Nothing eats away at your travel time like long security lines, but some airports let you reserve security time slots online before your flight, for free. You get a special QR code to scan at a dedicated lane, skipping the slow-moving crowd. It's available at major hubs like London Heathrow, Amsterdam Schiphol, Orlando, and Seattle. The fewer travelers who know this trick, the better it works, so keep this one under your ruse hat. Head to the left lane at security checkpoints. Here's a simple but powerful hack. Most people instinctively head right when choosing a security lane. But those leftmost lanes are usually less crowded and move faster. Next time you're in line, scan the checkpoint row and hop into that left lane. It could shave 10 to 15 minutes off your wait. It's like kangaroo agility for airport lines. Track your bag yourself with smart tags. Airlines lose or delay millions of bags every year. Don't rely solely on their outdated tracking systems. Just slip a small AirTag or Samsung Smart Tag inside your luggage and track it in real time on your phone. You'll know exactly where your bag is, whether it's still at the departure airport or already on the carousel. This smart move can save you big headaches later. Beware psychological airport design tricks. Airports are not just buildings, they're carefully designed environments meant to influence how you feel and spend money. Soft carpets after security make you feel calm and safe. Lighting highlights luxury shops, and even scents like pumpkin or citrus vanilla are strategically used to boost your mood and spending appetite. Next time you stroll through duty-free stores, remember, the airport is hopping with clever ways to guide your wallet. So, here's a tip you might not have thought about. Clean your luggage wheels often. Your luggage wheels have been rolling through some seriously grimy places, like parking lots, airport floors, and even airplane undercarriages, which means they're carrying germs and dirt right into your hotel room. To keep things a little cleaner, just keep a pack of disinfectant wipes handy and give your wheels a quick clean after each flight. It's honestly such a small step, but it keeps all that invisible grime from hitching a ride home with you. And here's another thing to keep in mind. Don't assume duty-free means cheaper. Duty-free might sound like a bargain, but honestly, it's not always the case. Many items at airport shops are actually priced higher than local stores, even though they're tax-free. So, it's smart to always check prices online or scan barcodes before buying expensive perfume, alcohol, or snacks. Sometimes, hopping off the plane and shopping locally saves you more bucks than relying on those duty-free deals. Use Valerian root plus ASMR for better in-flight sleep. Struggling to catch some Z's on planes? Try a natural combo, Valerian root supplements paired with ASMR sounds, those soothing whispers, tapping, or gentle rain noises you can find online. Valerian helps calm your nerves without grogginess, and ASMR lulls you into relaxation. Just pop on some headphones, take Valerian 30 to 60 minutes before takeoff, and, honestly, you might just enjoy a peaceful snooze even in economy class. Skip putting your home address on luggage tags. Think twice before slapping your home address on your luggage tag. It might actually be an open invite for thieves who know you're away. Instead, use just your name, phone number, and email. Even better, Use QR code tags that safely link to your contact info without revealing your exact address. Keep your pouch secure by keeping personal info private. Book early morning flights for fewer delays. Early birds catch smoother flights. Booking flights early in the morning means, less air traffic, fewer delays cascading from earlier flights, and often cheaper fares. Planes arriving overnight are ready to go first thing, so you'll likely have a smoother experience and better connections. Plus, early flights tend to avoid afternoon weather turbulence, a win-win for nervous flyers. There you have it, 10 hidden flight tricks to make your next journey hop along effortlessly like a true traveling kangaroo. If you enjoyed this pouch full of tips, don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more savvy travel hacks. Follow us on social media for daily travel inspiration and head over to travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive guides and deals. Thanks for hopping by today. Until next time, keep bouncing toward new adventures safely and smartly with Traveling Kangaroo.